Hey there, it's Hannah with WTI, and this is my Ultrahuman Ring, and I love it. The love and care that has gone into making this ring such a good experience for me is incredible. From the sizing kit to everything that comes with it, I have been obsessed with finding out all of the little insights about my body. Also, the fact that it is water resistant and the battery will last you almost an entire week is incredible. This has really been a game changer for me. And I love that the app is free and you don't have to pay for a subscription. It is such a must have for anyone, whether you are into fitness or you just want to know more about what your body is up to. I cannot recommend this ring more. I have been loving this Ultra Human Ring because it has given me insights into my sleep, my recovery, and so many other things going on with my body. And it literally is just so perfect. It blends right into my everyday jewelry wear. And if you have been looking into getting a smart ring, I highly recommend this one. And that's my point of view.